Hello everybody and welcome to my Concept Academy once again. I am Asad Ali with you. Today we are going to discuss some important topics regarding the nature of research and the purpose of research. Here the purpose of research and the nature of research. Why we do or we did any research. There is a basic three purposes of the research: the exploratory research, the descriptive research, and the explanatory research. Why we use these purpose of research in any research? One by one, we define these three terms regarding to the purpose of research or the nature of our research. First of all, we have exploratory research. Exploratory research means the explore something, anything. We are going to do on a thesis or anything in the future. Let's see the definition of the exploratory research, the initial research into a hypothetical or a theoretical ideas. Basically or initial research are based on a typical and a theoretical ideas. We are going to define in a two ways, taking a well-defined theories or applied on them in our areas, your areas, whatever you have defined in any theory. When we are applying a well-defined theory on any topic, we explore. Exploratory means we explore. Let's see, we take an example from our university. There is a drug ethics, any research from the masters or a BS, anyone who wants to know why the people's taking lot of drugs in an institution. We have a new idea. It's a new phenomena. We explore an idea. While we have taken, we will taking any theory and apply on our research and developing our own, yeah, your own theory from your scratch. What you have developed your own theory regarding the drugs addicts. And the second one is a descriptive research. Descriptive research means to describe. What means it means to describe the phenomena we have taken in the previous exploratory side. We have taken the drug addicts are the people using a lot of drugs in an institution sectors. It would help us attempts to explore and explain while providing additional information about the topic. The descriptive research provides us additional information about the explore topic or a phenomena which we have taken. It it builds on exploratory research. It gives us a lot of information regarding the drug addicts. We usually requires a lot of data to study about why the students using lot of drugs in an institution sector. And the third one is explanatory. The explanatory means to explain the things, why the things are the way, why the things are the way they are happen. It tries to happen. It tries to explain the relations between the variables. What are these variables? Drug addicts, a student or anyone who explore the drug addicts. We have taken a lot of details from the descriptive research regarding the drug addicts. Now we are in the stage where we have to explain these variables. Eh, It builds on the both exploratory and the descriptive research. Explanatory research, we always, the PhD scholars are use the explanatory research. Explanatory research finally explains why things happens. The purpose of research, the exploratory takes what happens in our institutions, what is going to happen our society in future. It takes what the things are happening. The descriptive show how how it is happens, and the explanatory is why the things are happening in the way they are, and the comparative analysis of these three, explanatory, exploratory, and the descriptive. While we are using the research approach to use the in explanatory, we use unconstructed ways to identify any social phenomena, while in the descriptive, when we explore anything, now it's a way to structurally we apply and find the more details or the additional information about the topic we have found. And the explanatory is highly structured and show why the things are happening in the way they are happening. Fourth one, we conduct a research through in a explanatory, sorry, in a exploratory, we ask research questions about the people's and their interest, why the students taking lot of drugs in a institution sectors. In descriptive research, we asking research questions again for additional information. In explanatory, by we using research hypothesis which we generate null hypothesis, yeah, hypothesis. When it is conducted, when we conducted it in the earlier stage of the decisions of making in a explanatory research. In a explanatory research, we have already, yeah, early stage of the decision making. In descriptive research, the later stage. In the exploratory early stage, you should remember in the exploratory we have an early stage of the decision of making any decision. Once we have decided, then we will go to the next step where the later stage of the decision making in additional information regarding our topic, our identify social phenomena. In the explanatories, we define it more why these things are happening the way it happens. I recommend the BS and master's student to find exploratory research for their thesis. It is highly recommended for BS and masters to bring a new social phenomena, a social topic regarding their society, or a new explore things, why things are happening in any society. I highly suggest.